Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I have a whole bottle of Lysol here with me, and basically, why I have this bottle of Lysol, I'm gonna tell you the real reason. So, I don't know if you guys ever purchased a vehicle that somebody smoked. You know, the first owner probably smoked, probably the second owner smoked as well. And when you turn on your AC, and that first pitch of air came out of the vents, and you'd be like, yo, you gotta turn down the window and everything to let that first air blow out. Smell moldy, smell a smoky scent, whatever. That's basically moisture was probably in the vents. You know, sometimes it happens due to the year round. You know, certain time of the year it gets really cold, and then it start heating up during the summertime, of course. Moisture build up, that's mold build up, all that. So this video is educational to show you guys how to fix that issue, not once and for all, because it's going to always come back due to moisture in the system, you know, in the vents, and mold build up. So the reason why I have this Lysol, they do have the dock cleaner you could purchase at AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts as well. The cheapest route to go is to get some Lysol. And what you're gonna do, of course, this is my cabin filter. All vehicles don't have it. So I took out my cabin filter, and you could basically see here how dirty it is, you know, how dirty my cabin filter are. It's picked up all that pollen and stuff, a bunch of dirt. You guys can see, right? Pollen, dirt, all that in between there. So I have a new one that I'm gonna replace it. But before I replace it, what I'm gonna do, I am basically gonna pop the hood, turn on the car, and I'm also gonna turn on my AC. Let me show you guys how my AC setup is. So this is gonna work for any vehicle. It doesn't matter what vehicle you have. When I turn on the AC, I am going to take the circulator off. So this light is not going to lit up green, because I'm going to take it off. This right here is basically for air to blow from outside to come inside the vehicle. So basically it's going to go through the whole system, and I'm going to be spraying the Lysol to eliminate that moldy scent and odors, whatever viruses, whatever dust, is going to eliminate all that scent, all that smell, and it's going to basically cleans the whole system. So that's what I'm going to do. Stay tuned, stick around. And guys, before I get into it, if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button, help my channel to grow. I'm trying to get to over 1,000 subscribers soon as possible, quick as possible. Yeah, help your boy, share this video out. Let's get into it. All right, make sure you turn down your window or open up your doors, because in here it's going to smell really, it's going to be really really strong, because the scent is going to basically come inside of the vehicle. So we're going to start it up. Sorry about that little lag right there. I'm going to start it up, and as I said, I'm going to take this part off. I'm gonna run the AC, turn it all the way on full max. I can feel the air. I can smell the air as well. And you could also turn off the AC as well, first straw. But I'm gonna put it on, and it's gonna come through. It's gonna come through the vent. So I'm gonna pop the hood, which I already did, popped it. As you can see, these vents down here collected dust and all that. Those vents right here. So this is what I'm going to do. It's basically going to suck up, and it's going to clear It's gonna kill all that bacteria, mold, moldy, all that. Go inside real quick. Now I got my thing open. I could smell it strong in here. Yep, real strong. So I'm gonna just let that run for a little bit. This is really strong in here. And I'm gonna do the same thing with the heat. I'm gonna turn the heat on, and I'm gonna turn up the thing as well. Do the same thing with the heat. Let it go through the system while it's cold, and let it go through the system while it's hot as well. Strong. Make sure you drop all your windows. Make sure you open the doors. You don't want to inhale all that fumes from the Lysol. The Lysol is really strong. So give that some time. Let me switch to heat now. You see I'm turning it all the way up. Max heat. Starting to heat up. Yep, starting to get really hot. And I'm going to spray some as well while the heat is on. And of course I could smell it. Keep everything open. So all those basically came out of my glove box. So that's not really trash. It's a bunch of napkins and some important papers. So pardon me with that. So I'm gonna let that run. A few, maybe about a minute. I'm about to say an hour, maybe about a minute or two. Then I'm gonna switch it back to cold. Yes, really hot. So we're gonna switch it back to cold. And also, you can change the mode as well to let it go down to your feet area as well. And you can spray some more Lysol, and that's what I'm about to do. I'm gonna spray some more, let it go through the whole system. You know, all the vents basically. And make sure your vents is open. Make sure your vents is not closed. Make sure the vents is open so when you spray it, suck it up and go through the whole system to kill all that mold, kill all that moldy smell, all that scent. Yeah, it's strong. I could smell it. Man, powerful. So that's the cheapest route. That's the cheapest route you could do it by just purchasing a bottle, a full bottle, 2 bottles of Lysol, and do that, and that will basically eliminate and kill the germs, kill the bacteria that's in the vent. You know, there's a lot of people who smokes a lot of cigarettes, smoke whatever, you feel me? Could be cigarettes, cigars, it doesn't matter what they smokes, and it will basically, time after time, when you turn on the AC, you will smell that. And as I said, it's not only by cigarette smoke or whatever, moisture get into the system as well, and that could also cause that as well. Sometimes if it's really bad and then you notice that your AC is not really, sometimes when that happens, sometimes it could be the evaporator going as well too. So keep that in mind. A vehicle is like a 17-year-old car, so that's expected, you know. So but if you have something like way newer and you notice that, and you purchase the vehicle, you know, a second-hand, a used vehicle, and you notice, even though you read the Carfax and that person was a smoker, and you notice when you turn on the AC and you smell that smell, just do that. That will kill the scent. It works for a year. You could do it every 6 months. You know, it's not no big deal, you know. So I'm gonna switch it again. Yeah, I'm gonna switch it again to the foot only. Yeah, I'm not gonna feel nothing up here really. It's gonna come down to the leg only. I'm gonna spray some more. Give it a while. Yeah, this is a 2008 Toyota Avalon, so, you know, 17-year-old car. And I could smell it, of course. Let it air out. Ooh. Let it air out. Strong. Give it some more time. Ooh. Alright. Heading back inside. This one is for the air coming up on the windshield, like the defogger, basically a defroster. So I'm gonna spray some more again. I'm trying to get it through all the cycles, the whole line, all the cycles. But this one is for the defroster. I'm gonna have to buy back my mom Lysol. Really, it's really strong, but it works. I mean, it's strong, but it works. Hopefully you guys hit that like, hit that subscribe button, guys. I appreciate you guys. I really appreciate it. Woo. I can smell it, man. And out here it's humid. It's not even, the sun is not even up, but it's humid out here. So Give it like about a minute or two. Then we go back to the cycle again. Okay, now it's just the face now. And I'm gonna spray some more. Once again. I'm gonna spray some more. And that would be, this is my last time spraying some because I went through the whole cycle. But this will be my last one. I want all that bacteria to be gone, to die. Go to the vents, kill all the bacteria. Alright guys, this is the cabin filter, lifetime air filter. See all the information. I think that other side was a different language, I'm not sure. But yeah. So I got two of them actually. So I got one in my hand. And this is what I'm going to install. Yeah, so I'm going to install it. And I'm sweating like crazy. Woo. That's how you do it. I'm gonna turn it this way because it said made in USA, so I'm gonna turn it that way, this way. And there we go. That's installed back. And as I said, all vehicles don't have cabin filter, but if you do, make sure you remove it first before you do that procedure. I think it's more effective. You could do it with the filter in there as well, but my experience, I think it's more effective if you remove the cabin filter, then do that procedure. That's just my opinion based, because a lot of people do it with the filter in there. So, but for me, I just want to get the best results. So there you have it, guys. Basically kill all the mold, kill all the germs, kill all the bacteria that's in your vents that be blowing out that awful scent when you first turn on your AC, or even in the middle of running your AC. You start smelling a odor that you don't like. So there you have it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, share my video out, hit that like, leave a comment if you have any comments. You don't have to go and buy the dock cleaner. You could just literally go to Sam's Club, go to Walmart, purchase 2 bottles, a bottle or 1 bottle will do. 1 bottle, 2 bottle of Lysol, and just do that procedure and you'll be good to go. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate the love and support. Peace, bye bye, take care, and God bless until I upload another video, guys. Peace.